Do you know that it is an order of Allah to Muslims to send blessings and peace upon Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Verse 56 of Surah Al-Ahzab is a powerful order for Muslims to regularly send blessings and peace upon the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This verse instructs Muslims to do so and informs them that Allah and His angels are also engaged in this sacred act. The verse follows, "Surely Allah and His angels send blessings to the Prophet, peace be upon him. O you who believe, pray Allah to bless the Prophet, peace be upon him, and send your salam, prayer for peace, to him in abundance." By following this order, we witness 1. Divine endorsement. The verse begins by stating that Allah and His angels send blessings upon the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, which is a profound endorsement of his status and a sign of high regard in the eyes of Allah. This divine action sets an example for believers to follow. 2. Act of obedience. As the verse explicitly calls upon believers to send blessings, it becomes a matter of obedience to divine command. Engaging in this practice is seen as fulfilling an order from Allah and thus holds significant religious value. 3. Unity with Allah and angels. By sending blessings upon the Prophet, peace be upon him, believers spiritually align and follow the actions of Allah and His angels. This creates a sense of unity among all. 4. Purification of the soul. Reciting blessings upon the Prophet, peace be upon him, purifies the reciter's soul. 5. Intercession, mediation, facilitation. Sending blessings upon the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, secures his intercession on the Day of Judgment for the believer. 6. Creating a spiritual connection. Regularly sending blessings upon the Prophet, peace be upon him, fosters a deeper spiritual connection with the Prophet, peace be upon him. This practice keeps the Prophet's, peace be upon him, memory alive in the hearts of believers and strengthens their faith. 7. Incorporation in daily prayers. Muslims must send blessings upon the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, during their daily prayers, salah, especially in the tashahhud position. 8. Uttered or written. The phrase peace be upon him is traditionally uttered or written by Muslims after mentioning the name of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as a form of respect and adherence to this verse. Conclusion. Verse 56 of Surah Al-Ahzab is a powerful order for Muslims to regularly send blessings upon the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This practice is a form of obedience to Allah and a means of spiritual enrichment, purification, and connection with the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It highlights Muslims' profound respect and love for the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and strengthens the central role of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in Muslim spirituality and daily life. May Allah bless us all to follow His command of reciting Durood or Salawat upon the Prophet, peace be upon him, regularly in abundance and bless us with His love at all times. Ameen.